Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I will be doing a length check. Right now my hair is up in an infinity head wrap and I'm going to yank it out so you guys can see the length. Alright, so I'm gonna find a better angle so I can stand up. So this is where we're at. Let me do a close up. Alright, so I'm gonna get back to my product shoot, but I just wanted to show you guys since I have a fresh retwist. So this is really true to length. My hair is not wet or anything and it's freshly twisted, so this is where it's at. Alright, stay tuned.